that was a good one.
Oh,
oh we're going to get run over.
We're going to run over. Careful, kids.
Everybody. Yeah, good afternoon. We are here today in Blackpool and we are going to be visiting South Pier, which is exciting.
We're here for a very special occasion, aren't we?
Yes.
Someone is about to do 100th cred.
Oh yeah. What is it I hear you cry? Intamin accelerator. B&M hyper. Oh no, it's a Revachon spinning mouse, people. Yeah, don't tell me that we don't give you good content.
Yeah.
Exciting times, exciting times.
Are you excited?
I cannot wait.
100th cred?
100th cred. Mouse cred. Yes. So we've been on South Pier a million times, but we just never vlogged it. So we thought, while we're here.
Yeah.
I've always been spited by the mouse coaster. It's never on. Oh my god.
We'll come back in a minute.
Anyway.
So we're back.
Yeah, I've always been spited by the spinning mouse cred. I'm crying by the spinning mouse cred. It's never on. And we've just been looking at it now. We've not seen it go around, but the lights are on.
Hopefully, just no one's there wanting to go on it. Hopefully we can get on it. We've got the kids with us. We've got Finley and Caleb.
They're going to get on with us as well.
Yes.
They need the +1 too. So yeah, we're going to get on the pier now. We'll take you for a look around everywhere in the arcades, what food and restaurants are open, what they've got in place in terms of COVID. Oh my god, it's going round!
It's going round.
It's open!
Here we go.
So we'll see you in a minute when we get on the pier.
Yeah.
Don't stop it on your ball. It's 3, 2.
So all of the usual game stalls, I say all, clearly not that one, seem to be open. The football one's open here, and from what we've seen so far, all of the food outlets are open as well. So it seems pretty normal. It is quite busy here today though. So all we can do is look after ourselves, isn't it, and keep our distance. So it is worth noting that they have signed off a lot of the amusements that are in a row. They have blocked off some, so we've got one on, one off, one on, one off.
And they're going round, the spinning guy going round, wiping the slots.
Oh, wiping all the buttons and stuff.
Yeah.
That's good then.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Caleb.
So first things first, while it's open and before we get spited, we are going to do the crazy coaster. I was going to say crazy mouse, it's not even called the crazy mouse. The crazy coaster, the Revachon spinner, taking it wild for that 100th cred.
And 100 cred? You're looking forward to it?
What a coaster. What a coaster to mark the occasion. But yeah, randomly I've just never ever done it. Never.
Yeah. I've never done it either, so.
Was it one for you as well?
One for me.
+1 for you there, +1 for Caleb. He looks really excited.
Yeah.
And +1 for Finley as well, wherever he's gone.
Yeah, I'm looking bored.
Yeah, so we'll take you on with the GoPro.
Yeah.
In a sec.
See ya. You okay there, Emma? What's wrong?
I didn't even know that was there.
What?
You see the floor?
Nothing wrong with the floor. So this is what she's moaning about.
Oh my god, I just pooed my phone.
Right over there.
Absolutely pooed it then. Pooed it.
And this is what she's got to go. This is what the coaster's on.
I didn't know it wasn't on a floor.
It is a floor, look.
Oh my days, real.
We're stood on the floor. What's your hands, kids?
We're looking forward to it, guys.
Yeah. 100.
Cred 100. Woo.
How many is Congo?
Not as many as me.
Well, I think I am, but I just can't remember them. Yeah. You don't like it?
Oh my god!
That's Pleasure Beach.
And then
How close we are to the edge! Oh my lord!
Was it bashed a bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Emma, 100th cred.
It's a bit spinny that, wasn't it? I didn't like it being on the edge though.
Hey, that was your thrill, that's for your 100th.
Again.
But yeah. Finn, what did you think?
Again.
Yeah? What did you think, Caleb? Was it better than you thought?
A bit.
Yeah, it's better than you thought. Good.
Right then, we have just done the crazy coaster. What are your thoughts, Carlos?
That was alright.
You have to shout because the man on the walls has got a big gum.
What?
Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum.
One more time, come on! No, it was really good. I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm shouting, but yeah. No, it was a good little coaster. How was it for you in your 100th cred?
It was a solid 100th cred then. Weren't a fan of it being on the edge of the water, I'll not lie.
Yeah.
Didn't realise that when I signed up for it. But no, it was alright, you got a good spin on it. It
Yeah,
was okay.
got a good spin. I think because there's 4 of us on it as well, we did get a good spin.
Yeah.
Which I enjoyed. Yeah.
What did you think, Finley?
Again.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you, Caleb?
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
No.
No. Don't get any ideas because it's not happening. It's not happening ever.
Hey, wait till our 1000th. I've got something planned.
You bloody haven't.
I have.
That is not happening, I'm telling you right
1,000
now.
subs, so we get Emma on something that's gonna scare them
Oh,
out of
mate.
there.
No!
Seriously.
No, thank you.
1,000 subs and it's happening.
Right then, I don't know if you can hear me. I'm going to have to keep talking because otherwise we are going to get copyrighted the hell out of this vlog. But I've come on to the breakdance here. I've done it a couple of times. I always thought it was a Huss one, but apparently it's not. Apparently there's only one Huss in the country and that's at South Shield. So I don't know who manufactured this one. I'm not up to date on my fairground ride. But I remember it being a really, really good ride.
Sit back and let's go.
Yeah, so I think we're going now.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page. But I didn't like their way, had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Oh god, he was alright, and then just towards the end he really picked up some speed. I didn't get it, I was facing the wrong way with the GoPro, but my head went whoo, and I couldn't pick my head up. Oh god, but I feel a bit sick.
Feel a bit sick?
Yeah. It was a good one though.
Yeah.
Someone spinning on it.
It looked fun.
Yeah, it was good fun. Did you hear the guy? He went,
Yeah.
smile for YouTube.
Smile for YouTube.
It was great though, I enjoyed it.
Yeah, nice. It looked good. I think these two want to go on the Dodgems. Do we?
Yeah.
Dodgems. Dodgems.
Yeah.
Dodgems.
I need a reference.
Oi! I'm going backwards! How's Caleb?
Right then, Finley, what did you think of the Dodgems? Eh? What does that mean?
I got crashed into.
You got crashed into? Well, that's the whole point of the Dodgems, is it not?
And I got thrown forward.
You got thrown forward? Well, good. I'm glad. I'm
I
glad.
hit you in the face.
You did hit me, you absolute naughtiness.
I did.
What did you think of the Dodgems? Good. You're alright, weren't
Got
they?
some good shots on you.
Yeah, noticed. Noticed. There's no need for it.
I don't know if I've got it, but Caleb's face chasing you down was hilarious. Like,
Yes! Every time I turned round, you were there. Every time I turned round.
is that good? I think you enjoyed getting in there.
Yeah, I noticed. He was always bloody there. I couldn't get away from him.
I trained him well.
Yeah. Right then, I think we've done all the rides that we're going to do, but we're not. We're going to have a quick walk around now, get you a bit of footage, and then we'll wrap up our afternoon on South Pier in Blackpool. Woohoo! Hey!
Again. Tilt it. You don't have no.
I'm very pale. Can you do it? No, it's worse that way.
What are you doing? Sorry.
Right
It's
then.
what I have to deal with.
Hey! You cannot say anything, it's my birthday soon.
So
Technically, it's my birthday month.
oh, I'm not having that.
Birthday month.
One day you're having.
No, I want the month.
1
Clear your
hour.
itinerary for the next
1
4 weeks.
hour.
We are going
one day.
places.
1 hour. 1
Yeah.
hour.
1 hour, 1 day. I like it, fiddly.
I am in charge. Birthday.
You're not
Anyway.
at the end of this.
Sorry about that. Yes, we have just come off of South Pier now. We've come inside to the best place in Blackpool.
Velvet coaster.
A yeah, we've come for some dinner. Yeah, it was getting very, very busy on the pier, so we did what we wanted to do, and then we came away rather than hovering around. But I enjoyed myself.
No, it's been a good day. I enjoyed it. The coaster was good. Dodgems was fun.
Yeah, they're a bit slow.
Yeah, they were.
And a bit awkward. It was like quite a heavy steering wheel. Do you know what I mean? Like
the problem I had was seatbelts around my neck. I don't think that's going to help me in a crash.
No.
But no, the kids enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was a nice change.
Yeah.
It was lovely. In terms of social distancing,
No.
there was lots of sanitizer points though. So, like I said before, it's a case of just helping yourself.
That's the thing.
Looking after yourself and making
Even if you take your own hand sanitizer as well, to make sure that if you do run out, you've got them yourself. You're not worrying about them.
But yeah, it was alright. But in terms of prices, the vouchers were £1 each. The coaster was just £4, and then like the breakdowns and everything else was £3. Yeah.
And then the kiddie stuff was £2.
Yeah. So it wasn't bad. We got a deal. It was 25 tokens for £20, so you got 5 free.
Yeah.
So it wasn't so bad, was it?
No, it was good.
So yeah, we'll wrap up here. The next vlog after this will probably be next weekend when it's my birthday, and we will be at Blackpool Pleasure Beach for late night riding.
Hello, God, you can.
Help me.
Excuse me, nobody cares.
Help me
The
now.
thing is, it's not just my birthday, it's my birthday, it's Natalina's birthday, and it's Johnny's birthday, so the only person whose birthday is not and has zero say is yours. It's going to be great. It's going to be great.
God help me.
So we'll be at the Pleasure Beach for late night riding next weekend. So we will see you in the next vlog. As per usual, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we will see you in the next vlog.
See ya.